What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is David, and today we're going to do a different kind of review for my English speaking audience. This video will be in full English, and let me know down in the comment below if you like this kind of video in English so you guys don't have to read the subtitles. If there's enough votes, I can do a I'll be thinking about switching all my Supreme unboxing to English voiceover, maybe. I don't know yet. But so a couple days ago I received a package from StockX that I bought. Is this a Converse Cloud collaboration? Let's take everything out of this box first. So we've got 2 pair of shoes, 2 pair of laces, a thank you card, and a receipt right here. So when I got the pair of shoes, an idea came up in my mind, like why and how can this little tag right here be a essentially is a certificate of authenticity to this pair of shoes. And if you look closely, this tag right here, it looks like it's just 2 pieces of plastic attached together with a QR code on the back and attach the shoe with this string. So if you're interested what's in the StockX tag, please keep watching. Alright, so let's take a look at the receipt again. And these are the details about the shoe. So my tag looks like this. A QR code on the back says it says all claims null and void if tag removed. Please inspect item. So if this pair is not authentic and they attach this tag on it, you must inspect this shoe yourself. If you found or suspect this shoe is a fake, while this tag is attached, you can contact their customer service or whatever. If this tag is taken off the shoe, then all claims are void. And my tag is attached to the left shoe, as you can see right here, the left one. And let's take it off and see what's inside. So I'm gonna cut right here. Alright, it's officially off. And we pull on these 2 string. We've noticed the right one is pushed in. This is what a tag looks like when it's off the shoe. So let's see what's inside the shoe, what's inside this tag right here. I'm gonna pierce the knife through this and try to crack it open. Please don't do this at home, children. Okay. Alright. Fairly easy to crack open. Alright, the tag's open and this string just popped out over here. Let's put it down right here. And this is the front side of the tag. And this is the back side of the tag. So it looks like this. And I'm gonna put the back side right here. I'm gonna use a flashlight to show you guys there's nothing inside of this plastic piece right here. You guys can see there's nothing really to this front piece right here. It's just a plastic with the StockX logo embossed and painted in white. So let's put down the piece right here. And this is what the bottom piece looks like. If you're familiar with zip ties, you probably have seen this kind of lock right here. The little arrow lock. So what this is this piece right here is permanently attached to the bottom piece, and this string is connected to this, right? So if an item is authentic, they take this arrow piece, loop it around the lace hole, and push it in right here, and the little lock stay in place right here. And this lock will not come out unless you pull it back really hard and break one of these arrow right here. And what's special, let's look what's special about this piece right here, the bottom piece. Nothing is on the front piece, so something has to be on the bottom piece to make this tag special and a certificate, right? This bottom piece right here does not seems to have any chips as well. And the only thing we can look at right now is this sticker right here, right? So let's take the sticker off. Okay. Let's peel the sticker off. Okay, the sticker is peeled. The QR code is right here. I'm gonna put it right here. And you can see when the sticker is peeled off, there's a void letter that's still stuck on the back piece. So I'm guessing that if you fake the QR code, if you put another one on it, they would just peel it off and see if there's any void left on this back piece right here. If there is, then some people must have done something onto this back piece right here. So if not, then I guess it's real. And if you look close, when I shine the light, there's nothing in it. There's no chips, nothing. Right here you can see the void upside down. So the tag is just this one QR code, right? So let's scan this QR code right here. Got my phone's QR code scanner. I'm gonna attach this QR code back onto this tag so I can hold it. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Alright, it's scanned and it reads 180-235-69089. And if you remember this, I'll put one right here. I'll put the number up right here. And nothing of that number is matching to anything on my receipt. So I'm guessing the only thing on this tag that differentiate this pair of shoe from another is the QR code right here. Since the number is not on this receipt, it's probably in StockX database, and I assume one number or one QR code is attached to a different item every time. So that's the only thing that's identifying this pair of shoes being authentic in their back office or database. So that's it for today's video. Now you know what's inside of a StockX tag. And make sure you verify your own shoe before you take the StockX tag off. Alright? So if you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you have any suggestions, if you think this kind of English voiceover is better than reading the subtitles, put in the comment below. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!